Alright everyone, SD Mount Man. Say, I got a mail call. Let's check it out. This comes from Angel, Red Corn Outdoors, new YouTuber to me. Found out about this product he's got. It's a squirrel skinner, gambrel type deal. Really slick. He does some 3D printing and stuff like that. Air gun shooting, stuff like that. Kind of little this, little that type deal. But I ran across him from Colan, Kincaid Outdoors. Was showing something he had from him back on his channel on one of his lives. Matter of fact, he's probably live tonight, 7 o'clock. So I go check it out. Usually Tuesdays and Thursdays. So let's get in here. Oh, I got goodies too. All right. Let's start with this. So look at that. I wasn't sure how big it was compared to what Colin was showing, you know, on the live, what it looked like and whatnot. I kind of knew the shapes and whatnot, and I see, okay, hopefully you can see that, how it's beveled in here. This is the sharp side, the back side here is kind of the sharper side. So stick the squirrel head in there in the front feet. Take this here, some paracord, hang it from a tree branch, and go to skinning. That is really slick. I like that. That's pretty cool. I'll have to get some paracord, maybe a carabiner on there or something, just a Y type deal, and figure out how to do that. But that's a slick deal. I did a video a while back, I don't know, a couple years ago. Hopefully, hey, you can see the bevel there, I think. How old schoolers might have done it with, well, one was it chain? You had to cut a stick. And then the other one was pallet wood or something like that for rabbits. But I showed it with a rabbit and they didn't like that. So you probably won't. Angel, I'll get back to you. You want my review on this? Hold on just a second. I got yellow dogs. Yeah, you just heard her shake. All right, they're back. They went across the road out in the field snooping at something. I don't know. I suppose this. We've had 30, high 30s to 40 yesterday and today, and so I'm sure there's stuff moving. Oh, I lost one. Oh, cool. So magnets. I love air gunning. Very cool. I got little magnets in the back. Red Corn Outdoors, RCO. Those are slick. I told him in one of his videos, I think if I had a doggone one of them printers, I could be addicted to that thing because there's so many things I want to do. As you know, some of you know I kind of dabble in RC stuff. Well, when I get a chance to. I'd love to make some little jack stands, little fire extinguishers, gasket, you name it. Anyway. Oh. All right, and he sent a couple of these. They're this one of the videos I watched him on. It's basically a little gauge for air gunning, 1/2 and 1 inch. You can take and put it up there, put it up to where your holes are at, and the center hole is 1/2 inch. The outside ring is 1 inch, and so you just like put it up to where your dots are at, your holes are at in the paper, your target, and so you can kind of score where you're at, how you're sighted in and whatnot. Yeah, a couple of them too. Cool. Very cool. Angel, appreciate it. Hopefully be getting out here. I got to finish out this month with 40 accounts left, and I just had to go switching out vehicles. Mine was starting to exhaust me out yesterday, and so I'm kind of running weird again with a different vehicle I'm not used to driving, and still waiting on my new one, 4-wheel drive. I'd like to get it on a day like this when it's 40 degrees and I can switch out sandbags and all that good stuff and get things done, but still got to get after the counts that's left for the month and see where January takes us. Hopefully I can get some tires on the Tahoe and get down with Colin to meet up. We can do our winter camp out. We've been looking at tents and stoves and everything. So anyway, I'll leave a link to Red Corn's channel in the bottom here. Appreciate you go check him out, give him a sub, and that's about it for me. We'll we'll see you on the next one. We'll see what happens Friday with Fired Up Friday or something. Take care, buddy. SD Mountain Man out.